We are talking about 3 useful marketing tools every network marketer needs or wants or should have, right? And my name is Brandy Shaver if we're meeting for the first time. What I do is teach and train network marketers, entrepreneurs, people who build teams. And I'm excited about today's topic because it's sometimes we overthink it, right? We think we need this tool and 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 this tool. And we get so overwhelmed with all the tools that we actually do nothing. So I'm going to keep it super simple. It's going to be super quick. And you are going to love the results you're going to get by doing these few things. All right, so number 1 tool is you need a decent camera. You can use your cell phone, okay? It's going to have a really good camera on it. Now for that, you're going to want to make sure that the lenses are clean, okay? So you can see right here, because we use our phones, we touch them all day, blah, blah, blah. You're going to want to make sure that they're super clean, okay? Here's a little hack for light. When I didn't have, extra money to be spending on extra things for marketing tools, right? I would go outside and film my videos. Natural light is probably the best light you could possibly use to for any of your marketing stuff you're going to be doing online, okay? But if you can get the ring light, that makes it a little bit easier for you because you don't have to obviously, worry about if it's daylight or if you can go outside or whatever. You can do it whenever it makes sense for you. But right now, I'm just in front of a big window. So let me show you. Okay, so that's my big window. If you face the light, it's going to be the best for you. Okay, now other thing that you want to remember when you are doing video, any kind of video, whether it's live, whether it's micro content, whatever, is to have the camera at an angle where you don't look like you have 15 chins, right? And I'm going to show you because I'm really good at having 15 chins. If you put it down like this, right? And even though I'm looking at you in the camera, it looks like I'm looking down on you, right? So you want to have it eye level, a little bit higher than eye level. So it's kind of like I'm looking up to you when I am teaching you this training, right? So that's kind of how you want to do it, right? The other one is good sound. Now, don't get too wrapped up in this. Like if the sound isn't like top-notch quality, right? Like right now, my mic is not actually even, it's not even actually hooked up, right? Because my mic broke. So I just got a new one. So I'm just using my computer audio. But if you get you a mic, it will really make a difference in your sound. And that's what people want, is to have good lighting. They want to see your face. And the other marketing tool that I would say is your smile. Put a smile on your face and make sure that you are projecting that person that you want to be on camera. So those are my 3 useful marketing tools. Now, the bonus is number 1, automation. So figuring out how to automate a lot of your business. And I'll put the link here somewhere in this video so that you can learn that a little bit. And then a way to never run out of people to talk to. And that's actually what we teach at Beach Boss Influencers. So you can get our social influencer formula. There's going to be a link here inside this video where you can go ahead and get that. It's free and it's going to teach you how to never run out of people to talk to. It's going to talk to you about growing an audience and what you do with that audience, and then how you get those people to actually get over the line, right, of either buying your products or joining your team. So I hope you got value out of today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any comments. Let me know if this was helpful. And if you know somebody that needs this message, go ahead and share it with them, and have a great rest of your day. We'll see you next time.